Wisconsin weather for 20 years. Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Today was the 5th straight day with high temperatures in the 60s or above, and we've got more on the way. Let's take a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Highs tomorrow will be mainly in the lower to mid 60s. We'll see 70s on Friday ahead of a cold front. Some cooler weather behind the cold front on Saturday, and then turning sharply cooler as we head into Sunday and beyond. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that range from the 40s right near Lake Michigan to the lower 50s a little bit further inland, to the upper 50s across the Fox Valley, to the 60s across central Wisconsin. In Green Bay, we have filtered sunshine, a lot of high clouds out there mixing with that sunshine. It's 59 degrees with an east to southeast wind at around 10 miles per hour, so the wind is beginning to diminish just a bit compared to what we saw earlier today. Our main weather maker this afternoon, high pressure. It is now shifting off towards the east, but on the back side of it, we're starting to see some moisture return across the upper Midwest. Right now, that moisture is in the form of high clouds way up in the sky, but later on tonight into tomorrow morning, we're going to see those clouds thicken up, and we will have the chance for just a couple of rain showers across the area. NBC 26 Precision Radar does show a few scattered showers and thunderstorms here near St. Louis, across southern Illinois, back into central Missouri. That activity is slowly working off towards the north. On the backside of that area of high pressure, along with the moisture increasing, also some warmth increasing as well. Temperatures mainly in the 60s and 70s, and we're going to see these 70s off to our north and west, including a high of 71 today in International Falls. Well, they'll push in here by the time we get to Friday. High temperatures tomorrow, once again, all over the place. We'll see 40s along the immediate shoreline of Lake Michigan, lower 70s across central Wisconsin, from Berlin to Watoma to Wapaka, upper 60s and lower 70s. Most of us across the Fox Valley will see highs in the lower to mid 60s. Precision Cast shows fair skies this evening, then increasing cloudiness. Lower clouds, in fact, and those clouds could produce just a couple of scattered showers across the area tomorrow morning, maybe lingering into the early afternoon, especially east of the Fox Valley, and then we'll see a lot of sunshine as we wrap up the day. Quiet weather continues across Wisconsin. That's great news because this is Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week, and coming up on Wisconsin Tonight in about 15 minutes, I'll be talking about severe weather here in Wisconsin, and tonight, specifically, tornadoes. So your forecast for tonight calls for plenty of clouds. Overnight lows will be in the upper 30s. Tomorrow, clouds mixing with some sunshine. Most of the clouds will be across the east. Most of the sunshine will be across the west. The dividing line is going to be somewhere across the Fox Valley. We could see a couple of showers out there, especially towards the shoreline of Lake Michigan. High temperatures once again ranging from the 40s to the 70s. Most of us will be in the low to mid 60s. It looks like widespread 70s on Friday. That's ahead of a cold front. Cooler weather behind the cold front on Saturday. That weather system that was going to move in Sunday night into Monday now looks like it's going to move in much earlier on Sunday, which means we're going to be looking at some wet weather on Sunday. If you are going to be running in Oshkosh Sunday morning, be prepared for some rain. Some wet weather on Monday, and then sunshine. Tuesday and Wednesday morning will give way to mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon both days, with maybe a rain, snow, or sleet shower. Temperatures will be much cooler next week, gradually warming up by the weekend.
So this week looks much better than next week.
Yeah, I mean, last week was not very nice. Clouds and lower 40s every day. Mm-hmm. We're going to get kind of closer to that again next week, but not as cold.
All right, we'll enjoy that 72 on Friday.
Yeah, beautiful.
Still ahead on NBC 26. It's spring.